Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all of you in the maths class for the grade 3. We are studying topic double and half. This is the topic and page number 14. Page number 14 where we are doing something. We are learning some concepts of double and half, and we will also learn the concept of inverse. Yesterday we learned the concept of double, and we also learned something about half. We just need to revise it. What was that? It's actually when we talk about halves, like half, we write 1 by 2 in fraction. You know that how to write half. So we are actually talking about the sharing or dividing objects or item into two equal parts. I gave you example yesterday that if I have 10 chocolates, so I want to divide these 2 chocolates to divide equally in between my sister and my brother. So I'll give half of them to my sister and half of it to my sister, half of it to my brother. 5, my sister will take 5 and my brother will take 5. Okay, same. So if they give the example that half of 2 is equals to 1. Obviously there are 2 toffees, 2 biscuits, and I want to give half of them. So half I will give to my brother, half I will give to my sister. This means that sharing 2 or dividing 2 into equal parts will give us 1. And how to find out the half? It's very easy. What you need to do is to just divide that number by 2, so you will get the answer. Suppose if I have 6 chocolates, I divide by 2 and I get the answer 3. That means 3 will be, if I divide 6 chocolates into 2 equal parts, so I'll get the 3. I should give 3 chocolates to one, 3 chocolates to another. Same if I ask about half of 6, so that means half of 6 I divided by 2. When I divide by 6 by 2, 3 by 3, and half of 4 is equals to 2. If I have 4 chips packet, so I can I'll give 2 to my brother, 2 to my sister, and that way I can divide equally into 2. In the same way, we can say the opposite of sharing or dividing by 2 is doubling. We know that doubling is multiplying a number by 2 or adding a number to itself. We learned about doubling yesterday, that whenever we need to find out the double of any number, so either we can plus that number by itself or we can multiply it by 2. Double means 2 times. That's like double 2 is equals to 4. When I multiply 2 by 2, that's I will get 4. When I I want to find out the double of 3, I multiply 3 by 2, or I will add 3 plus 3, that is 6. So we can therefore conclude that the opposite of halving is doubling, right? So today we are going to learn from page number 40. I hope you must have opened your books, and this is the book, double and half. So now we have 3 concepts to learn here in this topic: double, half, and inverse. We know about the double, we know about the half, and we are going to learn about the inverse as well. Double means multiply by 2. In short, what you learned here, double means you need to multiply by 2, and half means you need to divide it by 2. Okay, let's suppose the question is asking what is the half of 20. So you will divide by 2, and if you ask question asking what is the double of 4, so you will multiply by 4. 4 multiplied by 2, so you will get that. Now it's time to learn the what is inverse. Inverse is the opposite of something, or reversing or undoing it. Let's suppose if the question is asked me what is half of 20. So for finding out half, what I will do, I will write 20 divided by 2. So I will check the table of 2 and this 10. Okay, now I find out the half. But if the question says write also the inverse statement, the inverse means opposite statement. Like if they ask me about the half, so its inverse is to find out the double. If they ask me about the double, the inverse is to find out their half. It's opposite or undoing action or reversing action, right? So they ask me about the half of 20, I give them half of 20, that is 10. But they also said write the inverse statement. So what I will do, I will also multiply this 20 by 2 to find its double. So 20 multiplied by 2, 2 40, 20 to 4 and 0, right? So in the same way, if the question asks me what is the double of 10, so for the finding double, I will multiply this 10 by 2. 10 multiplied by 2, and that is 20. And then say write its inverse statement. So what I will do here, I have to find out the double. When the question says reverse statement, also do the inverse, write its inverse. So that means I need to also find out the half of this number, half of 10. So in order to find out the half of 10, I will divide this 10 by 2. So I will check the table of 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 10, and 2, 5, 10. In that way, we have to find out the. In the same way, if the question is asked what is the half of 2, so what I will do here, in order to find out the half of 2, I will divide this 2 by 2. I will write this 2 and I will divide it by 2. 2 into 2 is equals to 1. I need to check the table of 2. How many times do I need to repeat the table of 2 in order to get 2? Only one time. The answer is 2. But the question also says, this is I'm doing actually. The question also says write its inverse statement. So what I will do here, I will also multiply it now by 2. 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Okay. Now come to the question here. The question is saying what is double of 50? Double of 50 does mean what you have to do. And before going in to the book question, what we did here today, this just check. This is a double of 8. We did not this double and half. So these are the questions we completed in the notebook today. The question number 6 is saying what is the half of 20? Okay. So for half of 20 it's very easy. 20 divided by 2. I will check the table of 2. How many times I read the table of 2 in order to get 20. So 2 into 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, and 2, 5, 10, and 2, 10, 20. So the same way 10 divided, what is the half of 10? So I divide 10 by 2. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 4, and 2 into 5 and add 2 multiplied by 5. So the answer is 10. What is the half of 12? So because they are finding half, so I will divide 12 by 2. 12 by 2, 6. 2 into 6 because 12. What is the half of 4? I'll divide 4 by 2 and 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4. So the answer is 2. And what is the half of 24? So 2, 1, 2 and 2, 2, 4. If you check 2 times 20, then 2, 11, 22, 12, 12, 24. And what is the half of 30? So for 30, you check the table of 2 again, or 2, 10, 20, 2, 11, 22, 2, 12, 24, 2, 13, 26, 2, 14, 28, and 2, 15, 30. Or you can also say 2, 1, 2, 1 go there, then 2, 5, 10. Okay. No problem, I'll make you this division understand in a very easy way, inshallah, tomorrow in the tomorrow lecture. Okay. Now come here. What is the double of 50? We're doing this and write the inverse statement. So in order to do that, what you will do this, you will multiply 50 by 2. Guys, remember one thing, when you are multiplying any number which is having 0 by 2, so it's very easy to multiply. What you need to do, you just need to multiply this number by 2. 5 to 10. You will get this 10. Okay. Then just add this 0 here. Write this 0 same as well. So you will get the answer. Again, I'm repeating. If you're multiplying any number which is having the 0 in the ones place, multiply by 2. So write the 0, multiply just the number by 2, the result you write here, and then write the same 0 on the ones place. Like 50, 52, 5 to 10, I write 10 here and then put 0 here, so the answer is 10. And when I need to write its inverse statement, so I will find this division, and in that way I will divide, and we will learn this division inshallah tomorrow. Just to do it fastly, what you will do to check about the 4, 2 to 4, because 5 is not in the table of 2, then 4 out of 5 is 1, and 2, 5 is 10. In that way you have to complete. So we finished up to here today only, and inshallah tomorrow I will make a division understand, and we will complete these questions of the book. I hope you understand all the questions, and it's all clear to you. If you have any problem, any questions, you can ask me on WhatsApp or Coursera. I will be available for you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.